everybody. In this video we would like to show how you can add and establish relationships within the contacts on your iPhone. So first of all, open up the contacts list you have, choose what contact you would like to set up some relationships for. For example, I'll go with Tony. In here, tap on this edit option that is located at the top right part of your display. Scroll down, locate the add related name option, tap on it, and add any relative that you want. For example, I want to point out that the daughter of Tony, her name is Mary, just like so. And once I tap on done, I'll see that at the contact details page of Tony, it says that it's his daughter name is Mary, just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.